Hi guys, welcome back. I don't know if everyone knows, but we had taken a poll on my Instagram account inside my kitchen by Pooja Kadam, and we had asked that what is it that you guys would like me to make, whether it was chole tikka masala or chickpeas with mushroom and garlic, and chole tikka masala won. So that's what I'm going to be making today. But let me tell you a little story about chole tikka masala. So ever since we were kids, my mom used to make the regular chole that we make at home, and that's what I liked until I met my best friend Mehak, who's also a very good cook, and she had this amazing recipe for chole tikka masala, and ever since I've had that, that's the only thing that I make with chole. So let me take you through how we're going to make it today. Let me take you through the ingredients for chole tikka masala. I've got 4 cups of boiled chole. I'm going to be marinating the chole, so I'll divide the ingredients between ingredients for marination and ingredients for masala. So to marinate the chole, I'm going to be using ginger garlic paste. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to be using red chili powder, garam masala, salt and oil. And for the masala, I'm going to be, I've got 2 medium-sized onions which I have sliced. I have 5 medium-sized tomatoes again sliced. I have about 15 to 18 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, about 20 cashew nuts, and I'm going to be using coriander and jeera powder, garam masala, red chili powder, salt and oil. So we'll start with marinating the chole. For this, I'm going to take about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to take about 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala and about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt as per taste, and I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to mix this well so that the chole are covered in the masala. So this is done. I'm going to put it aside for about 10 minutes and I'm going to get started with the masala now. So I'm going to start making the masala. For that I've taken a pot. I'm going to turn the heat on. To this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'm going to add the 1 inch of ginger, garlic, and the onions. And I'm going to let all of this fry. The onions have now turned translucent. I'm going to add the tomatoes and the cashews. I'm going to cook this till the tomatoes become nice and soft. The tomatoes are now cooked. I'm going to turn the heat off. Wait for this to cool down and grind it into a soft paste. In the same pot, I've turned the heat on medium flame. I'm going to add these marinated chole. And fry these. So I have fried the chole for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn the heat off. I've ground the onion, tomatoes and cashews into a fine paste. I've taken a pot here. I've turned the heat on. To this I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of oil. So the oil is heated now. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of red chili powder and fry it. And I'm going to add the paste to it. I'm going to fry the paste till it cooks. I've let the paste cook for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garam masala and some salt. I'm going to mix this well. And add the fried chanas to this. And give this a good mix now. I'm going to let the chole cook in the masala for a couple of minutes now. Now, as per the consistency that you want, you can add some water. I'm going to add about a cup of water to this and mix it. I'm going to cover this, and on medium flame, I'm going to let it cook for a couple of minutes. It's been about 4 to 5 minutes. My chole are ready, smelling really good. I'm going to turn the heat off now and I'll see you at the dining table. My chole tikka masala is ready. I'm going to have it with jeera rice. Let me tell you how it tastes.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here